So what are you gonna do?
I'm doing the cinnamon challenge. Dude, I'm gonna die.
Hold on.
I'm gonna die.
Don't.
I'm trying to spread it.
Okay. Spoonful of cinnamon. Ready? Wait, no. You need more.
I need more?
Yeah.
Dude,
Wait. Okay. Ready? Swallow.
I can't swallow it.
Just swallow it.
Oh my god, it's fucking burning me. I'm crying. It hurt. Ew. Okay, stop it. Oh my god.